This is our second video in Arduino tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to control RGB LED with Arduino. So stay tuned with me, and if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming videos on Arduino projects. LED or light emitting diode that look like this and represented by the symbol is the type of diode which emits light when you apply voltage across its leads. One of its lead will be longer than the other one. The longer lead with shorter head is called positive or anode. Similarly, the shorter lead with larger head is called negative or cathode. Similarly, RGB is the most advanced form of LED in which you have three different color LEDs in one casing, and you can make more colors out of these three colors. There are two types of RGB LEDs, common cathode and common anode. Looking at the structure of RGB LEDs, you will get 4 pins. Among them, you will find one lead longer than the other 3 pins. This longer pin could be a common cathode or common anode pin. Moving to the components. Components need for this project are Arduino Uno, RGB LED, breadboard, jumper wire, male to male, and 330 resistor. Now moving to the circuit. Make your circuit as per instruction. First, connect pin 13 of your Arduino board to the one lead of the RGB LED. Second, pin 12 to the other pin of the RGB LED. And last, pin 11 to the last pin of RGB LED. Now connect ground pin of Arduino board to the negative rail of breadboard, other end of the 330 resistor to the negative rail of the breadboard, and one end of the resistor to the longest lead of the RGB LED. Open your Arduino IDE, press Ctrl plus N to open new window and start coding. Make 3 variables with name red and assign pin 11 to it. Blue with pin 12, green with pin 30. Now in the setup body, use pin mode function to declare these pins as your output pin. Pin mode red output. Copy this line and paste it. to save your time. Now just change the name of variables red to blue and red to green. In the loop body, use digital write function to make your pin logically high and low. Digital read red high, then keep it high for 1 second. Again digital write red low, and keep it low for 1 second. Now copy this whole section and paste it for 2 times. One and second. Now just change the variable name. So go to your tool, select board, select board that you are using for this project. I am using Arduino Uno and will select it. Again tool, then port, and select the port number. Now click on upload button. First save it and then upload the program to the Arduino board. And that's it. Here is our output. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming videos on Arduino project.